Hello YouTube, B-Ballzone bringing you another bird video. The time is 4:31. It took me about 31 minutes to put stuff and where to decide to put it. So yeah, it ended up looking good, in my opinion. Let me know if you have any suggestions or need help with anything, or yeah, please feel free to leave a comment. And here is the bird cage. If you didn't see my other video, my first video, go ahead and check it out. I give a tour of my bird cage before I got all this. So I got the collarbone with the collarbone holder, perch, got that toy, I got that mirror, I got that shreddable toy right there, that little thing there, the like Tweety Bird thing. Cat. Down. Panther. Good boy. Anyways, I got that little thing back in that corner. Some toys right here. So yeah, here's another view. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You see, hold on, my cat is annoying me right now. You see these big, huge collarbones? Here, look in the dark. Ooh, that gave me a scare. I accidentally ran into the door. Okay, so I got these big 3 collarbones. They were $4, or you can get ones that were calf size. And only had 2 of them for $1 more. So I was like, what the heck? You know, they should last longer, I hope. My cat is annoying. His name is Panther, by the way. So yeah. Leave a comment. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Hope you like my video so far. Like I said, I will be probably getting... Oh my god. What is your problem? Go away. You can go outside. Take your toy. Go get it. So anyways, leave a comment, rate, subscribe. I will be going to see the cockatiel to see if I want it for sure. If I do, I will be getting it next Wednesday. It is a male white-faced cockatiel. By the way, it is hand-fed. So yeah. Yep. I will probably need help naming him. So yeah, I'll post a video on that too. Need you guys to help me. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. The B-Ballzone signing out. Bye.